welcome back to another video on Let's Take It Easy. I'm Arnav and for today's video, we'll be unboxing the newest iMac, as well as be giving our personal thoughts and specs on the PC. Without further ado, let's continue opening the open. So once we've opened up the box, we're greeted by a complex cardboard case, which also contains the iMac itself. But we'll put it away for now, as we have more things to take in first. Here we have a compartment, which consists of a power cable, the other half of the power cable, Now that the box has been set aside, on with the main attraction, the PC. The Mac is safely protected with a soft paper-like material, and once you remove that, you're greeted by a nice friendly hello. The design itself is rather slim, and extremely light compared to previous models. Okay, now that we've got the actual unboxing out of the way, it's time for the specs of the PC. The iMac consists of a very nice 24-inch 16:9 Retina 4.5K LED backlit display with awesome True Tone technology, an 8-core CPU and a 7-core GPU, a storage space of 256GB SSD, gives option for more, 1TB equals $600 more, a clear high-definition built-in camera, built-in stereo speakers, a headphone jack if you want to plug in your own headphones, 4 USB ports. Now for the main review, should you really buy it? Is it really worth the price? Okay, so before we get into the pluses, we must state the negatives. First of all, there's no privacy shutter on the webcam. An Ethernet cable port is an extra $50 Australian dollars. Touch ID is also an extra 70 to 80 Australian dollars. And here's a surprise, the magic trackpad is trash. Even after purchasing a highly expensive brand new computer, you need to pay even more money for essential things. Okay, that's enough negatives for now. On with the pluses. This computer goes for around 1,800 Australian dollars. Includes a powerful processor called M1. It's available in different colors, green, yellow, orange, pink, or blue. It's ultra thin, maybe even thinner than an iPhone. And the screen looks beautiful. Not to mention, it also has an easy setup.